Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber and today we are going to talk about some 80s hair. Just kidding. I just wanted to do a side ponytail so you guys could see the thickness of the hairs that I have going on here in comparison to what I will show you with my own biological hair. Now, I don't have any pieces up front. I don't have any fibers in either, so you can kind of see I have some sparseness right here. If I was to actually wear a ponytail like I'm doing right here, I'd probably add a clip-in bang or some hair fibers, something to fill in some of the sparse areas that you see right around here. But what I wanted to show you is this really, really nifty hairpiece that is definitely amazing for those who have hair loss in the crown area. A lot of people start discovering that they are dealing with hair loss right in that cowlick area where their hair whirls. Is that how you say it? They start seeing widening of their part back here and just overall thinning. So anyway, just like men will see, balding in this back area, women can also start seeing thinning in that area as well when their hair starts going through hair loss. It's all just individual. Everybody goes through hair loss in their own way, in their own patterns. And so I think it's amazing that there are options for everybody. There's base sizes and different toppers and pieces to fit everybody's needs. So I did share a topper by Jon Renau recently, and I did say that I wanted to really dive into hair pieces meant for extreme hair loss, or what they call moderate to severe hair loss. But today I put on this crown hair topper along with a clip-in bang by another brand. And so because I was wearing it, I thought what better time to create a video and share it. So I guess I'm going back on what I said in a previous video. I was sharing the Top Wave by Jon Renau. I'm actually now going to share a piece that's actually meant for beginning stages of hair loss. So if you are experiencing hair loss right in this main area in the crown and you need some volume, you need some length, you need some thickness, you just want some oomph back there, then this piece can definitely be for you. Now, just to give you an idea of this color, this is the color number 8, which is called Cocoa, and it is medium brown. My biological hair is slightly ashier than this medium brown, but overall it matches pretty well. Now, like I said, this is Jon Renau easihair. This is a human hair clip-in crown volumizer. This is a clip-in topper which adds volume where hair naturally parts at the back of the crown, and this features 100% Remy human hair for easy integration and easy heat styling. So easihair is also Jon Renau, and they have a range of hair pieces as well that can assist with the needs for volume, coverage, and different things like that. Like I said, this piece is ideal for beginning stages of hair loss, but you don't necessarily need hair loss at all to have the advantages of this crown volumizer. If you just want some extra volume in your hair, this can do it. I mean, some extra thickness, this can do it. I mean, these pieces, toppers, little sections that you can stick in there, they can assist with so many things. And if you don't have any hair loss at all, who doesn't want thicker, more voluminous hair? Most people I know want more hair. The overall length of this particular piece is 18 inches. Okay, so I'm going to pull this out so I can show you guys the cool base construction of this topper. It's very light and it fits the crown of your head awesomely because of the shape. Look at this. And it is just invisible. Look at that. It is so cool. So 18 inches in length, goes on the crown of your head, like so. Beautiful Remy human hair, individually hand-tied, one by one. This is a welded monofilament base, so it gives the illusion of natural hair growth. So where this is placed on the crown of your head, if it happens to part or whatnot, it's going to look just like scalp area. You have these little pressure sensitive clips, 3 up above and 2 down below. And then you have this polyurethane area right around this whole base construction. I'm assuming if you do feel like you need to use adhesive with this piece, you could remove the clips and use some tape or adhesive around this outer area. This piece clips on really easily. Of course, I moved my biological hair forward, then I clipped it in. I'm just going to do 2 clips, and then I put my hair over the top of it. Now, I don't have a whole lot of biological hair, so I typically wear a larger base, and I typically like more hair up front. Hence the reason why I paired this piece with a clip and bang. The 2 combined was perfect for an updo. However, if all you experience is hair loss right in that crown area, this piece is ideal for you. I could use this for clipping in and utilizing as a very light and comfortable tiny little piece under a hat with a headband, with a bandana and things like that, because it is so small and light and flush and flat with the head. It's quite comfortable, yet it gives me quite a bit of hair to pair with the rest of my biological hair. The hair is nice and soft and smooth. It feels fantastic. And the difference in the amount of hair that I have, so here's with the crown. Then let's do a side pony, an 80s side pony, and show you guys what it looks like without the crown topper. Just a little bit of extra hair goes such a long way. Oh, my scrunchie is just coming apart. So there's my little tiny side pony. My hair is actually doing a lot better lately in comparison to what it was last year, but still, even with it doing better, it's not as thick as I like it. So adding pieces makes me feel a whole lot better, and I prefer faux hair. Anyway, so if you guys are interested in checking out this amazing piece by Jon Renau, actually, this amazing piece by easihair, this is what it is. It's called the easiCrown. Pretty nifty. Beautiful Remy human hair. Can be heat styled. 18 inches. This is the color 8, Cocoa. And it definitely gives you that coverage, volume, and extra length and bulk that I definitely like need, want, desire. So let me know if this would be something that you particularly would use and need. What kind of hair loss do you have, and where did you start seeing hair loss at your beginning stages? Since this is a beginning stages of hair loss hairpiece, did you start seeing it in the front hairline, in your front parting area, in that crown area, all over? I'd be interested to know where you started seeing it at first. Let me know. Comment below. You guys, thank you so much for watching. You can get the easihair and Jon Renau pieces at many brick and mortar and online retailers. Jon Renau has a store locator on their website. You can click in there and type in your zip code, and that will show you local places near you. Otherwise, there are some incredible online places. You cannot get Jon Renau hair on the Jon Renau website. You do have to use one of their retailers, and there are a lot of really great ones out there. If you are having a hard time finding one, hit me up. I have a few favorites, but there are wonderful, numerous online websites and people who can assist you with finding these pieces. Anyway, thanks again for watching. I appreciate you guys. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.